In order to make your homemade spiced rum, you need to take a decent quality gold rum and pour as much as you need into the airtight jar, like so. That can be half a bottle, half a litre, full bottle, whatever you need it to be. I usually do this in kind of half-litre batches, to be honest. And into that I'm going to add some spices, as you might imagine. So we're going to go with a couple of cinnamon sticks, 1 pod of star anise. I'm going to do 3 cloves. Now, people will often tell you to up the level of clove in this, but I'm not a big clove fan, so I just like it to be there in the background, so I just put 3 of those in. And then we're going to also add in a couple of lengths of orange peel, like so. And I'm also going to add in some vanilla pods. Now again, if you're using vanilla, you're just going to want to cut these pods open with your knife, like that. The length of it, put that in. You don't need to scrape out the seeds or anything, you just need to make sure that you're opening that up. There we go, you can pop that in. All that remains for you to do then is just seal this jar, make sure it's airtight, and then put it somewhere safe and cozy. So the pantry works well, or possibly an airing cupboard, something like that. And you will just need to go every day and kind of give it a little shake to agitate it, and then anywhere between kind of 3 to 5 days I think is pretty good for a batch like this. Maybe slightly longer if you're going to use a bigger amount, but and then you're ready to wait for the taste to infuse into that rum. So in order to finish off making our spiced rum, we're going to obviously remove all the various herbs and spices from it, and then all we need to do is pour some of the mixture through our coffee filter, or obviously cheesecloth if you wish to use that, and pour that in like so. All you're going to do is wait for that to filter through. You're still going to have that wonderful gold colour, and you'll have all that flavour in there, but you just won't have the little bits of the spices floating in it. It's obviously going to take a little while, but once that's happened, you can then very simply just pour this into a airtight bottle, or into the original bottle of rum that you used in the first place. And I just advise you to put a label on that so you can tell what that infusion is, and you're ready to start making cocktails with it.